Hey guys, welcome to a day in my life. So I'm just done with my seminar and I'll go to the grocery store to buy some items. But before that, I'll throw some trash first. Actually, my main agenda in the grocery store is to buy some ingredients for my pork giniling. The main ingredients for pork giniling is of course ground pork, carrots, and potatoes. Aside from that, I also bought some items such as toilet cleaner, cacao, oranges, and bobby pins. So I started my pork kneading by heating the pan and then diced the onions, garlic, potatoes, and carrots. I added some olive oil to the hot pan. And I added the ingredients and also the ground pork. And because I cannot eat without rice, let's boil 1 cup of rice for this meal. And while waiting for the rice to be cooked, I added the carrots and potatoes. I also seasoned it with salt and pepper. I added some cherry tomatoes and added tomato paste and of course tomato sauce. It's actually my first time to cook this dish and I'm so proud. It turned out good, tastes good. So I ate it with rice of course, and yeah, that's it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.